Employees wait on slow systems. Invoices stall during outages. Approvals get stuck because access is inconsistent. Then surprise repair bills arrive after the damage is already done. That is why managed IT services matter for growing teams that have outgrown informal tech support but do not have full-time IT leadership. As Dan Nedoborski, CEO at NetAccess Systems, puts it, managed IT moves support from emergency response to operational ownership. In practical terms, managed IT means planned, monitored, documented technology care. It means someone is watching the systems your staff uses to quote jobs, approve expenses, send client files, and close month-end. That includes ongoing system support, scheduled maintenance windows, security and backup oversight, and IT planning tied to budgets, growth, risk, and cost control. Instead of waiting for a server, workstation, or cloud account to fail, the work is reviewed and planned around keeping the business running. Managed services also bring structure to daily operations. Monitoring, patch management, endpoint protection, anti-spyware management, remote backup monitoring, and recovery testing all help keep small issues from becoming daily disruption. Cost control is another major piece. A business paying for unused licenses, aging hardware, emergency support, inconsistent cloud subscriptions, and last-minute laptops does not really have an IT budget. It has surprises. Managed IT helps create visibility into what you are paying for, what creates risk, and what needs planning before it becomes urgent. The bigger shift is ownership. Tickets, device health, vendor calls, backup checks, lifecycle planning, and recurring problems should not drift between busy people. If slow systems, stalled invoices, surprise IT costs, or unclear ownership are affecting your team, read the full article for a practical breakdown of what managed IT services mean and what to review next. And add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access when you are planning your next IT conversation.